This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and clearing the area so nothing interferes. Once done, position the headset so the ear cup faces you and find the quick-release latch at the hinge. This releases the band connection. Apply steady finger pressure or a small, flat tool to pry the latch. Slow, controlled motion prevents damage. You do this to disengage the clips holding the band. It's safer and faster than brute force, and it exposes the band seam for the next step. Once the latch is open, you slide the band end straight out of its socket while supporting the ear cup so the frame doesn't twist. Make sure to move evenly. If one side binds, stop and wiggle gently. This prevents bending the headband frame. Inspect the mounting posts and catch slots for wear, lint, or broken tabs, because replacing the band without checking these can lead to fit issues later. If parts are damaged, consider replacement parts now to avoid rework. You align the new band's tabs to the hinge sockets and push straight in until you hear or feel the latch click. This ensures proper engagement. After seating the band, cycle the hinge several times to let the mechanism settle and confirm there's no play. If you detect wobble, make sure tabs are clean and fully seated. If problems persist, inspect or swap the latch clips. Using excessive force only risks cracking the frame. A final test for comfort and security finishes the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.